Hey, welcome friends. So in this tutorial of Solidworks, we are going to see how can we cut if we can use trim option to cut extended entities. So the entities which we don't want and we have made by our by mistake. So how can we cut that? So we are going to see in this tutorial. So let's make some geometry so that I can show you. So we have a rectangle and we have a circle here, and there's a line which is passing through this. So now we have done mistakes, and we want to trim the line which are inside this circle and the line which is inside the rectangle. So how to do that? So you have to go for trim entities. So as you can see here, you have to click on these trim entities. Now there are 5 different options which you can use. I'm going to use this trim to closest. So if you click on this one, so if you move your mouse here, so as you can see this line becomes some little pinkish, and it shows the scissor option. So if you click on this, it is going to cut that line. If you take this here, it will going to cut that line, but we want to cut the line which is inside the circle and rectangle. So just move here, and as you can see, we have trim the line which is inside the circle. And similarly, if you move your mouse to inside the rectangle and towards the line, it is going to cut that line in this way. So this is the trim to closest option which you can use. The other option I'm going to show you. So again, let's again make a line which pass through circle and rectangle. Now we have to trim this line by using trim away inside. So in this you have to click the first of all the boundary, and then you have to click the line which is inside the circle. So as you can see, you have trimmed the line which is inside the circle. So in this way you can use this trim away inside option. The next option which we are going to see, so for that let's make a different geometry like this. And now we are going to see trim to corner, like how we are going to cut the corners. So if you select this corner, so here you have to be cautious that as you can see in the icon also, so the lines which are going to select, that will remain, but the other corner lines are going to be trimmed. So let's see here. So we have this rectangle and we have line. So what we want to do, we want to trim this corner 2 lines, and we have to retain these lines. So for that we have to select a line here and here. So that line remains within our geometry. Again we want to trim this line, so you have to select this line and you have to select this line. So we have trimmed that 2 corner lines, but we have retained our main geometry. So this is the corner option, and let's see trim away outside. So again let's make a line here, and we want to trim the outside one. So you have to choose trim away outside. So as you can see here, if you select this line and this line, so it is going to cut the outside line. Again you have to select this one, so it's going to cut the outside line. So in this way you can cut the outside line and you can retain the inside. So this is the trim away outside. So if you see, the color has been changed, and you can, if you are going to cut that, the color has been changed to pinkish, and if the option is coming like the scissor option, then it means you are going to trim that line. So these are the trim option which you can use, and that's all for this video. Thank you.